to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make an almond and lemon biscuit, which is going to be the base for my bakeless cheesecake, which is coming up soon. So look out for that. So guys, all the ingredients that you will need for this biscuit are here. But don't worry if you don't quite catch these, because I will be putting those in the info box below. So guys, do like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do know when I'm going to release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime, we're going to dive straight in and we're going to make some almond and lemon biscuits. Woo! So get a sieve, and what you want to do is you want to sift all of your flour through the sieve. Once you've done that, add your baking powder to your flour, add in 100 grams of ground almonds and 75 grams of unrefined caster sugar. Now you need to weigh 150 grams of salted butter and chop this up roughly. Once you've done that, pop that into your mix and you want to work this through your fingertips until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. A little cut in my hand is where I got attacked by local dogs, please excuse it. So once it looks like little breadcrumbs like this, get a lemon and a lemon zester and zest it all off just like this. Pop that in. Break open an egg, separate the egg from the white and pop the egg yolk into your mix as well. Now you need to mix this through until it turns into a firm dough. Lovely. So get some cling film, unwrap it and put that across your workstation. Cut off a segment and place your dough in the middle. Squash this out to a rough sausage shape and then get your cling film and put it over and squeeze it down tight. Once you've done that, twist in the ends and roll it and you should have a nice sausage shape. Lovely. Now pop this in your fridge for about half an hour to 3/4 of an hour to let it firm up. So once it's done, you can pull it out, chop it in half and it's nice and firm. So peel off the cling film from one side of it. You can freeze the other half, pop it into your freezer and it should last about a month. And what you want to do is you want to chop out your cookie rounds just like this. So get a baking tray, get a sheet of baking paper, pop that in your baking tray and then put all your biscuit rounds on the top, just like this. Lovely. Now you need to pop this into your oven and it takes about 10 minutes at about 170 degrees. Once they're ready, pull them out and let them cool. And that's how you make almond and lemon biscuits. I'm going to make a cup of tea while I'm waiting for them to cool. I'm going to really enjoy these biscuits, I can tell. So yeah guys, that's how you make almond and lemon biscuits. They are so good. I can't wait to tuck in these and I'm going to dunk them in my tea. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Do comment, like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I'm going to release my next video, which is every Thursday and Sunday at 8 o'clock. So I'm going to eat these now, but in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make an almond and biscuit biscuit.